Nicolae Ceausescu ruled Romania as its head of state from 1965 until his overthrow and execution in 1989. Born in 1918, he led one of the most repressive regimes in Eastern Europe. Ceausescu maintained strict control through a vast secret police network known as the Securitate, intense censorship, and a strong cult of personality around himself and his wife, Elena. In the 1980s, his harsh austerity policies to repay foreign debts led to widespread shortages of food, fuel, and electricity, causing great suffering for the Romanian people. Early in his rule, Ceausescu gained Western approval by taking an independent stance from the Soviet Union, condemning the 1968 Warsaw Pact invasion of Czechoslovakia. By the late 1980s, public anger boiled over. In December 1989, during mass protests, the army turned against him. He and his wife were executed.